for the majority now at this moment politically. It's, yeah, they cannot justify it, and it's really gonna be. But I know when I send in my crew that it will happen. But he needs to be reburied at Arlington. Yeah, so yes, your father is dead. Yeah, and trust me, it was heroic, really heroic. Yeah. I buried him as a hero in Russia, but I want to bury him as a hero in America, where he belongs, where his heart always has been. Yeah. So, yeah, just see it as a mission impossible. Look where we at, my friend. Look where we at this moment, my friend. Yeah, but he needs to be buried on American soil because he did nothing or anything wrong. Nothing. He won with me that day. Yeah, yeah, everybody knows that I walked over to the Russians that day and got ourselves into safety. Yeah? I buried him in Russia. Also on a military cemetery near Moscow. But he needs to be picked up, relocated, reburied with every honor that he deserves and deserved for all that he did for not only the American people, but everybody around the world who are fucking innocent. I'm sorry for my language. I'm really sorry, my friend. And my condolences, but we had no choice that day. We had no choice. It were dead or dead. You know what I mean. Yeah? You know who got you? Yeah? Just think about Durango, right? You know who got you. You know who got your dad also, just like I do. But, yeah, you need me, I need you. Yeah, we don't need those stupid ass motherfuckers. Yeah, so go to that black side. You know which side you need to go. It will. Yeah. We need to bury somebody with all the respect that he needs to get from the American government also.